What does it mean to live a fulfilling life? Is it about chasing success, accumulating wealth, or achieving a constant state of happiness? According to Buddhist wisdom, true fulfillment isn't found in external achievements. Instead, it lies in nurturing the mind and heart. Today, we'll uncover 5 timeless secrets from Buddhism that can help you live a meaningful and peaceful life. These are not abstract ideas. They are practices that anyone can embrace, regardless of their beliefs or circumstances. Let's begin. The first secret is to embrace impermanence. Everything in life changes, our relationships, possessions, and even our own bodies. While this truth may feel unsettling, it carries a profound liberation. Think about a flower. It blooms in the morning, radiating beauty, but by evening it begins to wilt. Does its impermanence make it less beautiful? No, it makes it even more precious. When we accept that nothing lasts forever, we can stop clinging to things as if they were permanent. Instead, we learn to cherish each moment and let go of what no longer serves us. Imagine holding a glass. If you see it as unbreakable, its eventual crack or shatter will bring pain. But if you view it as already broken, every moment you drink from it becomes a gift. The Buddha once said, "Change is never painful, only resistance to change is." When you stop resisting and start flowing with life's natural rhythm, you'll discover a deep sense of peace. Remember, every moment is a gift. Appreciate it while it's here. The second secret is gratitude. It's easy to focus on what we lack, comparing ourselves to others, or yearning for something more. But gratitude flips this perspective. When you pause to reflect on the blessings in your life, a warm meal, the laughter of a loved one, or even the air you breathe, you realize how much there is to appreciate. Gratitude is more than a fleeting feeling, it's a deliberate practice. At the end of each day, try writing down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be extraordinary. Perhaps it's the comforting taste of tea or the kindness of a stranger who held the door for you. One Buddhist teaching suggests that even challenges can be opportunities for gratitude. When you face difficulties, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How is this shaping me into a stronger, wiser person? As the Buddha taught, contentment is the greatest wealth. When we practice gratitude, we find richness in what we already have. The third secret is compassion. We often think of compassion as something we give to others, but it also nourishes us. When you extend kindness to another being, you create a sense of connection that dissolves feelings of isolation. Think of a time when someone showed you unexpected kindness. Perhaps it was a comforting word during a tough day, or help when you needed it most. How did that moment impact you? Compassion isn't always about grand gestures. It can be as simple as listening without judgment or offering a kind word. And it's not limited to people. Show compassion to animals, to the environment, and even to yourself. Many people struggle with self-compassion. We criticize ourselves harshly, holding on to guilt and shame. But imagine speaking to yourself the way you would to a dear friend, with understanding and encouragement. The Dalai Lama said, "If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion." It's through acts of kindness that we find deeper purpose and fulfillment. The fourth secret is mindfulness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to live on autopilot, constantly thinking about the past or worrying about the future. But the present moment is the only place where life truly happens. Mindfulness means being fully present, whether you're eating, walking, or simply breathing. It's about bringing your attention to what's happening right now without judgment or distraction. Try this simple exercise. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel the air entering your lungs and leaving your body. This single breath connects you to the present moment. When you eat, notice the flavors and textures. When you walk, feel the ground beneath your feet. These small, mindful acts can transform ordinary moments into sources of peace and joy. As Thich Nhat Hanh reminds us, mindfulness is the miracle by which we master and restore ourselves. Through mindfulness, we unlock the beauty of ordinary moments. The final secret is letting go of expectations. So much of our unhappiness comes from wanting life to unfold in a specific way. We set expectations for ourselves, for others, and for the future, and when reality doesn't match, we feel disappointed. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the rigid need for control. Instead of clinging to what should be, embrace what is. Trust the natural flow of life. Reflect on a time when things didn't go as planned, but turned out better than expected. Life has a way of surprising us when we remain open to possibilities. As the Buddha taught, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. By letting go of expectations, you free yourself to experience life as it is, beautiful, imperfect, and full of surprises. So, what are the secrets to a fulfilling life? Embrace impermanence, cultivate gratitude, practice compassion, live mindfully, and let go of expectations. These simple yet profound teachings remind us that fulfillment isn't something we find outside ourselves. It's something we create within. As you reflect on these ideas, ask yourself, which of these resonates most with you? What small step can you take today to bring more meaning and peace into your life? Thank you for listening. If you found these insights valuable, consider sharing them with others. And remember, the path to a fulfilling life begins with a single step, one mindful moment at a time.